Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy Max Online. Today we have a new topic, gradient of a straight line. Gradient of a straight line. Before starting this, let's learn what is a gradient. Gradient is the slope of a straight line. A gradient is a strip of a straight line. If you have a straight line with a variable x, y, any variable, only with no square terms, it is a straight line, a linear equation. So we get a slope in a linear equation. If there is no square term in our equation, then it is a linear equation. Slope comes only in a linear equation. So gradient is a slope of a line, straight line. So if your straight line is in the form of y is equal to mx plus b, here whatever the coefficient along with x will be your slope, and y-intercept means a constant term will be a number which is with no variables. So that is called y-intercept. So let's find how to find the gradient and y-intercept. Let's start. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start now. For the straight line of the equation, find the value of the gradient and y-intercept. You can check y is equal to mx. Here, instead of mx, we have 2x plus 1. The coefficient of x is 2 here. So that will be your gradient. When will be that gradient? When if your equation should be in terms of y as a subject. What do you mean by that? It means there should be no number along with y. There should be no coefficient along with y. Y should be a single variable without any coefficient, without any number. Only y at one side and all the variable and constant number at the other side. So the number you can say, or you can say the coefficient of x will be slope. Here we have m. What is m? M, instead of writing the word full slope or gradient, if you write a letter, small letter m, it means this is one symbol for gradient. Instead of writing the word full gradient, the full letter word, you can write only m is equal to 2. It means gradient is 2 here. And what will be y-intercept? A constant number. There will be no variable with this. That will be y-intercept. Let's do one more. Look at here. Y is equal to 3x minus 1. Check. Y is a subject here. There is no number. Only at one side y and the other side all the variable and a constant term. So here we have m. The gradient is 3 because coefficient of x is 3 here, and y-intercept here is with negative 1. So we write negative 1. Here it was positive 1. So just we wrote 1. Now next one, look at this example. Y minus 2x is equal to 4. Here we don't have y as a subject. Y is along with 2x, minus 2x. So this 2x has to be sent to the other side so that you can make y as a subject. So if I send 2x, positive 2x to the other side, I get plus 2x. Negative 2x will become positive 2x and plus 4. Now here we have m as a subject, gradient. So along with x coefficient is 2. So m is equal to 2 and y-intercept is equal to 4. This one. Okay. Now let's solve one more. Look at here. Y plus 3x is equal to minus 1. Now again you can check from same this way. Y is along with positive 3x. So if I send positive 3x to the other side, it will be minus 3x. So now our gradient is along with this sign. -3, and y-intercept is -1. So even though the sign is given as negative, you take it as negative. If it is positive, take it as positive. Now let's solve if it is y is not a subject and y is having some coefficient. So here you can see y is along with 2 coefficient. We need y only as a subject. So I have to send this 2 to the other side. Here 2 is multiplying with y. So if I send it to the other side, it will divide the both, the 2x plus 4, divide by 2. What do you mean by this? This 2 is dividing with this number, 2x, and this 2 is dividing by 4. So you can write separately even. Or you can, if you are confident, you know how to do it, you can write it in a way like 2 and 2 will cancel and 4 and 2 will be cancelled. Or if you feel confused, you can make this as a separate the fraction. So 2x divided by 2 plus 4 by 2. So if I cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So I get my gradient as 1 and my y-intercept is 2. Let's solve this one. 2y equal 4x minus 2. Now you can check again. 2 is along with y. So I will divide 2. 4x divide by 2. Now I will separate this single fraction as a separate fraction. So 4x by 2 minus 2 by 2. Now if I cancel this, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. My y-intercept gradient will be 2 and y-intercept will be -1. Okay. I hope you understand. Thank you everyone. Bye.